Dear Diary, yesterday I was given an assignment for the day after, even though we ended classes in the afternoon, but it is what it is. But the professor gave us another assignment again for the day after. Wow! It's been absolutely storming, and my favorite YouTube series that's coming out recently, Tip to Tip, didn't upload an episode today because the editor is struggling, and it's just a messed up day. Nothing too concerning. There's worse stuff in life. I'm just complaining about nothing. But it's nice to vent. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.